In this video, you will learn how to install a front grille for a 2004 to 2011 Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the hood. Undo the retaining clip that's holding the bumper light onto the truck, as shown here. Now we can remove the bumper light, then disconnect the bumper light harness. Release the retaining clips holding the grille onto the truck, then remove your factory grille. Now we can place the new grille in the stock location, then replace the bumper lights. Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.